Now, Budget 2023 has been announced today, and the captains of India Inc. are not calling it a populist but a pragmatic one that is kept in mind the growth needs of Indian economy in the short to long term. WION's business editor Sumit Chaturvedi caught up with top titans of Indian industry, including Sanjeev Mehta, Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever, and Manish Sharma, Chairperson of Panasonic Life Solutions, to get their reactions on the budget announced today. Listen in.
Be a small impact definitely on the cost of production for televisions, because the exemption has come on the parts for open cell, and open cell essentially contributes roughly about half of the bill of material of television. So in that sense, theoretically, yes, there will be an impact on the cost, but more than that, I think this will be the logical first step towards the next maybe couple of years or few more years to enable the manufacturing of open cell happen in the country, because that is the larger expectation both of the industry and the government also. Then apart from this, I would say that the announcements have been reasonably balanced, making a balance between the strategic priorities. So if you look at the rub-off, which are three potential AI hubs inside top universities can create in next many decades. And then we also heard that how applications into 5G, through those 100, center of excellences is going to create into variety of applications. So I believe that, and then you also heard that how 35,000 crore of outlay was there on evacuation and also viability gap funding for energy storage. So this will help create economies of scale for lithium-ion storage applications and subsequently enable the manufacturing of such high-tech products to happen in the country.
And India, again, coming to mobile phone and handsets there, India's second largest manufacturer as per some estimates. You think the announcements made today are going to increase it further, going to definitely benefit in that sector also?
So this is an amazing success story. If you look at last many years, there has been a methodical approach, and I believe this is a wonderful case study to look at. We enabled a phased manufacturing approach for a lot of products, including mobile phones. And today, larger part of what we consume in the country, the finished goods of mobile phones are already manufactured in the country. The logical next step is to enable the ecosystem of components also to happen in the country. However, today you heard that the exemption on import duties for lenses and also continuation of exemption on lithium-ion cell continues for next one more year. So this is a very strategic move, because we need to continue to enable economies of scale, hence competitiveness comparative to other manufacturers globally, enable exports, create further economies of scale, which will help create the ecosystem of components. So I think it's a very methodical approach which continues.
Shifting our focus to other